Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a vlog. Today I'm going for a YouTube summit. It's a 3-day YouTube festival in Ghana. Yeah, in Ghana. So today is the summit and I'm going for the event and I'm so excited. I can't wait to see other YouTubers. So today's activities is going for a YouTube summit. So that is what I'm doing. So spend the day with me. I'm waiting for my Yango driver to come. I'm already late, so I'm waiting for him to come and I will bounce. Okay? Okay? Let's get.
That's what you saw, and they are doing great work in this country. And so, if you don't know about entamoty now, you know about them. But let me not take the wind out of the sails of the man who is going to give us a welcome address. He doesn't like in my mouth to give us the welcome address. So I'll invite the CEO of entamoty Media, Barry Mark Amweni Samuel, to come and give us a proper welcome. Let's give him a round of applause.
Good morning to everyone. Good morning. This is a creators, festival. I'm expecting some exuberance and all of that. How's everybody doing? Can we clap and make some noise? So thank you very much. My name is Barry Mamoni Samuel. I'm the CEO of entamoty Media. We are creators for the ZPay YT Creators Festival. This is something that we've been planning for like 2 years now. So yes, it's something that we've really been preparing to establish. And big thanks to VPay, for supporting us, and of course, big thanks to ICS for partnering us to, create something amazing as this. This is a whole festival. Someone was telling me that this is the first time in the world, because nothing like this has ever been done before. Because we have 3 days, we had a tour. Yes, thank you. Yesterday we had a tour, today we have the summit, which comprises of a lot of things. We have the masterclass, we have the breakout sessions, and we have a brainstorming. We have a lot of powerful people, Tripling, Woody Maya is coming, Mark Angel is joining us. We have other amazing people here. Mr. Andrew Tachi, who is the MD of ZPay. We're going to have a one-on-one with him here as well. Please, let's give it up for him. To put this together. So yes, I'm not going to bore you so much. Thank you very much for coming. I just want to say that whatever we are doing today, this is coming from our heart. Everything that everybody is doing here is pure sacrifice. We are not gaining anything from it. We just want to help the community. At the end of the day, we want to help local creators, we want to help Ghanaian creators, we want to help African creators. Because I'm one of the few people who believe that equipping young people with digital skills is one of the ways of reducing the young unemployment situation that we have in Africa. So this is the way, and we are happy to do that.
Thank you very much, Samuel. That's well said. And
all have to make up our minds that wherever it's going, we'll be able to go with the flow. Just imagine if you are home and you can't shop, you can't do some of the things that you want to do. For me, for example, I don't remember the last time I went into a shop and drove into a shop to buy things in the shop. Most of the time, I sit in the comfort of my home, just click a button, go on somebody's page, check the quality. I mean, sometimes you can all bear with me that sometimes you get it wrong. That's when you get there, what you ask for.
The subject about youth and digital and how to make money with YouTube is quite far from what I'm doing on a daily basis. Although I do relate a bit to what the virtual guest has explained when it comes to multitasking and when it comes to hard working and having very little time to do whatever I would like to do. For us here in Ghana, working with digitalization is part of the French priorities. We have been funding some language laboratories, we have been funding some equipment in many schools, we've been funding the training for teachers to do teaching through internet, and we didn't expect, of course, the pandemic to arise, but we have come to realize that during the pandemic, indeed being able to carry on teaching and keep the schools going through internet and distant learning was of course a big asset, as you probably know. Like many schools in Ghana, the French lycée closed in March 2020 and reopened in January 2021. But in the meantime, the students have been able to carry on learning and carry on preparing their exams, and luckily passed their exams with very good grades. But that takes, of course, the equipment and the training of the teachers, and it's quite hard work because you do not have that feedback that you have normally when you are talking to students. When, well, I got completely.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is French, this DJ. I would like to announce to you that right after the networking event, we have an after party.
I mean, the inspired me that God even start my channel from it. I was procrastinating, I was doing today, I'll do tomorrow, I'll do today, I'll do tomorrow. Like, talking the channel, and I'm like, no.
your life right here.
And besides, I want to get subscribed to the channel.
Those of you who are
Let me answer. If I'm a celebrity, like, ask me something. Okay, we are here for the and then YouTube.